this has been happening across the Nifty media. The Nifty media index is very close to the September highs of 1675, and where ZEE and Sun make a major part. And once that is taken out, we could be looking at a much broader market, say the whole sector picking up. At the same time, if you look at ZEE, what you have to realize is that even though it has been a stock, a major underperformer, back in February when all the issues were there, pre-COVID, the stock used to be around 230 odd levels. So at today, when it is at 210, 215 levels, that tells you the recovery has been strong. We are back to pre-COVID prices. So that tells you that there is some shift in terms of price action, in terms of relative outperformance. The second part is, in the interim, we've made between March till now, we've made almost, say, attempt in June around 215 levels, an attempt at 225 levels in the whole of September. And we lasted almost a month and a half trying to break that 225 mark. And we've made a double bottom around 175, 180. Now we are back above 210 levels, very close to the 225 mark. So technically, this is the first indication of a higher bottom being made from March till now. And once we start sustaining 225, 230, the move could be really sharp. So at current levels, this looks like an interesting bet where the risk reward is in your favor. Say what happens when something which is hated takes a breakout, like for example, what has happened with PSUs was hated. PSU banks have moved up 30% in less than a couple of weeks. So ZEE could be a very interesting bet where your risk reward is in favor, say a stop loss below 190. And say if we go about 230, it could not be a surprise that if the stock goes back to the 350, 370 mark eventually, which was the problem zone after all the issues came out. So overall, extremely positive on ZEE because the risk reward is very interesting.
Hemang Jani, good